Hey, I'm Natasha from the Ice Cream and Cookie Co, and this is our story. It all started as a weekend hobby. Many of my happiest memories are in the kitchen, and at first I made ice cream sandwiches just for family and friends. For fun, we'd pop up at farmers markets or weekend events, and friends would come to support and hang out. I remember after our first market I was so tired, I went back home and fell asleep in the middle of the afternoon. The early days were exhausting, but looking back, they were also some of the happiest times. The turning point from hobby to business was when one day a chef who'd come to one of these events asked if we could supply his restaurant. That was the first time we thought, hey, we might have a business here. We noticed a gap in the market for freshly made ice cream novelties and realised there was a commercial opportunity in our ice cream sandwiches. As the business grew, our motivation turned from one that was an inward-looking hobby to one that is outward-looking. Running a successful business means serving our community with wholesome ice cream products, while also supporting and improving the livelihoods of our employees. Our company now has internationally recognised manufacturing certifications, thanks to our team's consistent efforts. So, food manufacturing is an old, established industry, and we really want our company to expand the boundaries of what traditional manufacturing is. We do this with product innovation and also through technology in both our processes and in new experiences for our customers. It's about delivering a moment of happiness in people's hectic lives. Today you can find our products at 200 to 300 retail points in Singapore, and a growing number of F&B establishments use our wholesale range in their restaurants or cafes as part of their dessert menu. Through our expanding sales channels, we hope to achieve our vision of becoming a staple ice cream brand across all households in Singapore and the region. It's our dream to one day have our pints or sandwiches in every household freezer across Southeast Asia. While the business started very much as a personal hobby, almost a decade later, it's taken a life of its own. Our journey's far from over, and we're really excited to see what the future holds. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to learn more about ice cream, please check out the rest of our Ice Cream Explained series. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks.